Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. We got the top end kit for our 2004 Yamaha Blaster. As you can see, I already put the piston together and the gasket. I put the gasket on real quick. We're gonna throw the top end on there, and we got the carburetor in also. Put the top end, the head gasket, put the exhaust back on, new carburetor, and hopefully we can get this thing fired up today. So I'm gonna install this head real quick, or the cylinder. Get our exhaust ran, our gaskets put on. We got all new spark plugs and everything. As you can see, it's a very simple build. Just got to put this back on top, and we're gonna see if we can get this thing running today. All right, just like that. We got the cylinder put on there with a new gasket. Next, we're gonna tighten up all the cylinder bolts, put our reed valves on, put the head on, put the new carburetor on. So now the next thing I gotta do is find the new head bolts, which I believe they're over here. So I'm gonna put this on, tighten them down, and just keep on going. Okay everybody, so as you can see, no more blaster. We got it running, everything is good to go. Unfortunately, I lost all the footage on my SD card out of my camera. So all that footage you just seen was about a week ago. I can't get the memory back out of my card. So unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to finish the whole video on finishing the rebuild and getting it running and showing proof that it was running and happy customer, all that good stuff. So I thought I'll just come here today and just give a little update about what I got going on. Tomorrow I'm getting back my exhaust. I went and got it recoated in the ceramic for the TRX 450R. The two doodlebugs still run fine. Don't really need to do anything for that. They're just sitting here waiting to be run. I do need to reseal this back tire though, because it leaks after a couple days. The Polaris, just kind of my yard cruiser. Go and check the cameras and whatnot. Did a little bit of snowbogging. Didn't even think to get my camera out for that. Also thinking about getting a new graphics kit for the 450R. I got a custom kit being ordered. I'm waiting for the proof to come back to make sure it's the style I'm gonna like. I got new levers for the TRX. I got ASV brake. The brakes are bled, everything is good to go. And I got an ARC clutch perch with the adjustable. These are also adjustable for my brakes where I want my lever. Pretty soon, I think I'm gonna get my shocks revalved. Not sure how soon, but eventually this year, I would like to get my shocks revalved, get this thing going. I got the front matching bead locks are on the way. They have been back ordered for over a month. Waiting for those to come in. Should be getting my exhaust back tomorrow to put that back on, just new coated. New levers, and then also thinking about getting my factory shocks revalved. I'm not really a big time per se racer, so I'm not gonna go get your Elkas or your Peps or your high dollar suspension. I'm gonna get my factory ones revalved. Plans for this thing, I don't really have any plans for the Polaris right now. It's kind of just my yard toy and just kind of get it out once in a while. The two doodlebugs are my fun toys, but being up here where it's cold, I haven't been able to do much with them. I start every once in a while. I putz around a little bit, but it's been muddy. We had a lot of snow, so haven't been doing much. So I just wanted to come on here and say sorry for missing out. Videos got corrupted somehow, I'm not sure. Just a quick update on the 450, quick update on the two doodlebugs and the Polaris. Not doing too much right now. Don't have any projects coming in. Got all the old stuff still sitting here. So this is all you can see. This oil in this is just nasty, this two-stroke gas. So nothing major going on. Just trying to give a quick update on stuff I got going for when the summertime hits, springtime hits, we get going out riding. So besides that, I think I'm just gonna be just a short video. Thanks everybody for subscribing. I've been getting a lot of new subscribers lately. Thanks for commenting. And I hope to see you in the next video. Like and subscribe. Thanks again.